Hey guys, so this is going to be unusual, really quick video on how you can skip the phone verification while creating Gmail account. There are two ways how you can do it. The first way is that go to YouTube and create a new account from there. You don't have a phone number then. So how it works is that you just go to youtube.com and there you're gonna have accept all and you're gonna have sign in and you're gonna create account. So this is the first way how you can do it. Or what you can do, I came across the solution while browsing around. If you have Android phone, you can create a new Google account from your phone settings. Google. Just manage to create one and didn't ask for any verification. I'm not sure it will work on iOS. So just go to your Android phone, create a new Google account from your phone settings. So phone settings and Google. You're going to find it in the settings of the Android phone. And there it's not going to ask you for so many people here. Everyone, please keep this a secret. If you have Android phone, go into your phone settings, go to Google section and click on your account name. Click manage accounts and then create a new account. So have a great day and goodbye.